Hello guys, my name is Vincent Otieno, the current ambassador of Foti. Under the courtesy of Foti, we are privileged to visit Camp Ndunda, and our departure point is Chuka University Gate A. Are we ready guys?
Yes, we are.
Guys, we've arrived at Camp Ndunda, our destination, ready to explore. Welcome.
You're going to register, you give us your details, that is your name, your ID number, your phone number. If you have any underlying health condition, you kindly state. For example, the one who is asthmatic, with such a case you are not around to do one swing. So kindly, if there is any underlying health condition, you state, then you sign against your name. These are ability forms. It shows that you're going to volunteer in our activities, you're going to follow the instructions. Now that in case of anything, Camp Ndunda is not runnable. So you have to take care of. So mtanipea majina.
Guys, we've just arrived at our destination, Camp Ndunda. We want to have lots and lots of experiences, nature walk, canopy walk, archeries. Keep in touch.
Realize if you feel wine, then I realize I see no look wise. One time, but you never die. Look at that. Badilisha size kaije vizuri hapo. Haya, weka hivi kwa sasa, tumetengeneza huku. Shuka chini, inua talent juu. Confirm, weka mabawa hivi hapo. Wewe shuka chini kidogo hapo. Twende mbele, nyuma.
Walking the trails, and the trails are right. No. 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 Yes. 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 No. Yes. No, 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 no. No. Is it time to... Yes. Red, green, yellow, red. Ruth.
Hey, Ruth.
Ruth.
Check.
Yellow, green, yellow, yellow, red, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, yellow, green, yellow.
Hello, my name is Michael Onyango, a student from Chuka University pursuing bachelor degree in tourism management, and here is my co-partner
Justin, third year student pursuing Bachelor of Tourism at Chuka University.
And today we had a tour to Camp Ndunda, and we have two of our clients who should share with us their experience with the Foti tour package. So we start from our friend. Tell us what your experience with the Foti tours today.
First, I will take this opportunity to thank Foti for creating such a moment, a great tour where we have visited Camp Ndunda, and I have practiced and participated in many activities like nature walk, trail, canopy and dancing. So I would like to urge other people who would like to travel to come and join Foti, Foundation of Tourism Institute, and travel with us.
Okay, with us, you have our next fellow. Tell us, how was the experience?
The experience was great. We did some activities such as archery and team building. Of course, the team building had gifts. The gifts include money. Okay, I would advise those who want to book a tour or an outing with Foti. It is a very great experience. They are taking care of you. They are making sure that all your needs are met.
So let me ask you, in case Foti wants to bring you back to Ndunda, will you come back or you look for another destination?
Definitely, I enjoyed it from the start.
So you will come back, you will prefer
100%.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so that was the whole trip, guys, and thank you so much. The idea was brought up by Foti, and as the chairperson of Futsa, I took the challenge and decided Camp Ndunda, because Camp Ndunda, at least the destination isn't that far, and some students have always longed to visit Camp Ndunda. Here we are today. So there are so many challenges in this package, and from that I've got an experience, and I'm very sure by now if I graduate with my degree, I'll be graduating as a satisfied tour leader and maybe a tour operator. So welcome you again. Our next trip will be next semester, that is in October, Giraffe Center in Ololua. We welcome you all, and please help us grow Foti together. Thank you.
I'm glad to be an experienced leader in tourism industry. We have assembled this package to ensure our clients are taken to Camp Ndunda to experience the nature walk, canopy walk, wild swing, and so on. Our games were involving, and the winners have been awarded, and we urge all other clients who would like to join us in the next tour package to feel free to join us. The assembling of this package was very challenging, depending on the fuel prices that was giving us headache, but we were glad that the clients were able to book the tour package in time. Within 2 days, the slots were booked, and we were glad. Secondly, we are urging all members who are listening to us, kindly find us through Foti social media channels like Facebook. You can find us through Foundations of Tourism Institute, X account Foundation of Tourism Institute, YouTube Foundation of Tourism Institute, and LinkedIn, which is also the Foundations of Tourism Institute. Secondly, we are urging all members, we have packaged another tour going to Nairobi, Giraffe Center, and Ololua. We call upon everyone to at least find a chance to book the tour package to experience the same. Come October, don't be left out. Thank you. We welcome you all.